G'day peeps. So I wanted to do just a quick video for you today because I have a lot of people in the comments say to me that they can't find a particular video on my channel, that when they go to my channel, they can only see a dozen or so videos. So I wanted to just show you really quickly on an iPad and explain how it works differently on a TV or PC or Mac, so that you can actually visit the channel and then find all the videos and different playlists, and so you can actually find what you're looking for really easily, because I've got well over 100 different tutorials up there now. So there is plenty of content for you on there, but it can be a little bit tricky to navigate if you're not really used to sort of going on to a channel and having a good look around. But before I do that, I wanted to give you a little bit, and I'm grinning, I don't know why I'm grinning, but I wanted to give you a little bit of frustrating news that I've got. So I've had to shut down my Facebook page. So my So-and-so Lispy Soa Facebook page. I've also had to shut down my personal page. So I bought a new phone a couple of weeks ago, and I've always used iPhones like forever. And for the first time ever, I thought I would try out an Android phone. But, I've already gone back to an iPhone because I hated it. I returned it. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that because I changed from iPhone to Android, I had to log into absolutely everything again rather than just being able to transfer it all over. And when I did that, it came up with a list of devices that had access to my Gmail and to my Facebook and my Messenger. And one of those devices was a Samsung Galaxy, and I've never had one of them, and Adrian's never had one of them. So I did a little bit of a deeper dive and had a look at login histories and everything else, and this person actually used their name with their Gmail, so I know who you are. But I'm being a bigger person, so I'm not saying anything about that at all. I've had to close down my Lispy Soa Facebook. I've had to close down my personal page on Facebook, even though I've changed all the passwords and everything else, just while I get everything sorted and see exactly what else this person has gotten into. I'm just feeling a little bit frustrated and a little bit violated, so I'm just keeping that all closed down at the moment. I do still have my my Lispy Soa Gmail page set up where you guys can send me photos of the bags and stuff like that, but it looks like this person actually got into that one as well through my other, like my main Gmail account. It seems like he's piggybacked from that one onto that one as well. So I've changed passwords, but yeah, I'll just see how I go for the time being. But so if you're looking for me on Facebook, that's why I have disappeared. Let's have a little look at how to navigate my channel. And he hasn't got into that, hopefully. Bugger. So in this video, I explained that I also have another video on how to resize it into any shape. And look how little Lucy Purr was there. So on an iPad or a tablet, you just click on the little so-and-so sign there with Lucy Purr and then the subscribe account. If you're doing it on a computer or on your TV, it's got visit channel. That's the one that you want to click on. But we're on iPad, so let's have a look at that. So if we go there, it sort of comes up with the last sort of half dozen most popular videos or so there, and then some playlists, and then sort of more popular shorts and whatever. So it doesn't have everything there. And that's why when people say that they can't find a video, it's because that's where they are, whatever device they're on, that's the page that they're on and that they're seeing, and they don't realize that there's more content there. So what you need to do is click on videos, and it'll give you an option to go latest, most popular. So let's go that. So there they are in order, and there's just an absolute heap on there, and that will go on for pages. And then you can go shorts if you just want to see a heap of Lucy Purr and sort of my day-to-day stuff that, I find interesting enough to post. And then the next list is playlists, and I've tried to organize this so that it is like as easy for you guys as possible. So I had someone on the weekend ask me about pouches, like she wanted to know if I had done a pouch bag style bag in a bigger bag with an interior zipper pocket, and if I could please make one like that. And I was like, I've got you. I've actually got 2 like that on my page. But because they were earlier videos, they didn't come up on that initial page. So I've made a whole heap of different playlists. So on that playlist there, you see that I've got all pouch related stuff, and then I've got boxy and makeup bag related stuff, and then scrap busters, stuff on my different Singer sewing machines, Christmas ideas, and then sort of bag making playlists. So if we click on that one, it will come up with sort of more adventurous level type tutorials. If we go back, then how to draw your own pattern. Then I have different tutorials on how to draft up your own pattern. So pretty easy. You just have to, you know, get used to clicking around a few different buttons and everything else. So having said what I said earlier about being hacked, another thing that's really frustrating for me at the moment is that YouTube, well, I mean, it's a good thing, but YouTube has taken down, in Australia at least, and other countries are going to be following. If you're 18 and under, then you can't have a social media account. Oh, no, not 18, 16 and under, sorry. You can't have a social media account in your name. And what that means is that all those ones that were registered with people that had put in their birthday is 16 and under, and anyone that didn't actually put in their birthday, that's all been deleted, which I think personally it's a good thing. You know, if people want to watch YouTube, they can use their parents' account, and that way the parents are able to monitor a little bit more, you know, what their kids are doing, because I understand totally how hard that can be. Another thing that YouTube has done is gotten rid of a lot of channels that are using or overusing AI. So if channels are using a whole heap of AI and it's like really clickbaity, or those ones where, you know, the shark jumps out and eats the lion and all that sort of crap, then YouTube has gotten rid of all those channels as well. The problem for me is that I had a decent amount of younger people watching my videos. So all of those subscribers have been deleted. And then anyone that was using that sort of a whole heap of AI to make their own content and posting it on their page, if they were using that page to subscribe and watch my content, all of that's been deleted as well. So my subscriber count just dropped dramatically, which isn't a big deal. Like, I understand totally and I get why, but that means that the YouTube algorithm, hard to say with a lisp, has gone, well, wow, that channel's just, and it's happening to a whole heap of YouTube channels, not just me, but the algorithm has gone, well, that channel's just lost a whole heap of subscribers, so we're not going to suggest her new videos to, you know, X amount of people like we're used to. We're going to suggest it to a much smaller group. So it has really stuffed up my algorithm, which that is a little bit frustrating as well. So the way that you guys can help me is make sure that you are subscribed, pretty please. And if you do like my content, if you're on any sort of sewing pages or groups or anything like that, if you share my videos, that will go a long way to the algorithm then going, oh, okay, you know, she does make decent content. Let's start suggesting her a little bit more again, and hopefully my videos will get back up to the numbers that they were before, because yeah, it took a bit of a dive, and then getting hacked and everything else, it's just, yeah, bit of a week the last couple of weeks, but that's okay. We'll bounce back. Okay, guys, I will see you on Friday for another video. Catches, have a good one.
Bugger.